Hello everyone, so today we'll be solving few questions from class 10 maths and topic real numbers. So now the first question is we have to show that 5 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. So we have to show that this number it is an irrational number. Okay. So we will solve this question with the help of contradiction method. Okay, method of contradiction. So first of all, we will consider that this number it is a rational number. Okay. So here we will write that let us assume let us assume that 5 minus 2 root 3 is rational. Okay. Now since this number it is a rational number, so therefore we can write it in the form of P upon Q. Okay, we can write 5 minus 2 root 3 in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q both are co-primes. Both are co-primes. So co-primes means that both P and Q they have only one common factor, that is 1. Okay. Now next let us arrange this whole term here. So again I can write it as minus 2 root 3, it is equal to P upon Q minus 5, or I can write it as 2 root 3, it is equal to 5 minus P upon Q. Okay, and again we will get root 3 it is equal to 5 upon 2 minus P upon twice Q. Now here we can see that 5 upon 2 it is a rational number. Okay, 5 upon 2 it is a rational number. Also P upon twice Q it is also a rational number. So now on the right hand side, this term it is rational, this term it is also rational. So it means that this whole right hand side it is rational. And since this left hand side it is equal to the right hand side, so it means that root 3 it is also rational. Okay. So here we can write that since 5 upon 2 minus P upon twice Q is rational, so it implies that root 3 it is also rational. Root 3 it is also rational. But we know that root 3 it is an irrational number. Okay. Root 3 it is an irrational number. So here we will write that but root 3 is irrational. So from here we can say that our assumption is wrong. Okay. We have assumed that 5 minus 2 root 3 it is rational. So after assuming this we are getting root 3 as rational. But we know that root 3 it is irrational. So it means that our assumption that 5 minus 2 root 3 is rational is wrong. Okay. So here I can write that hence our assumption our assumption is wrong. So therefore I can say that 5 minus 2 root 3 is irrational. Is irrational. So this is the required result. Okay. So now we have one more similar question, that is we have to prove that 2 root 2 it is an irrational number. Okay. So also here also we will solve this question using the method of contradiction. Okay. So first of all, again here we will consider that 2 root 2 it is a rational number. Okay. So here we will write that let us assume let us assume that 2 root 2 is rational. Now since 2 root 2 is rational, therefore we can write it in the form of p upon q. Okay. So 2 root 2 I can write it in the form of p upon q, where p and q both are co-primes. So co-primes means that both p and q they have only one common factor, that is 1. Okay. Now again if I arrange it, I can write it as root 2 it is equal to p upon twice q. Okay. Now here p upon twice q it is a rational number. Okay, it is a rational number. So on the right hand side we have this is a rational number. So on the left hand side it is root 2. So it means that root 2 it is also a rational number. Okay. So from here we can write that p upon twice q is rational. So this implies that root 2 it is also rational. Root 2 it is also rational. But we know that root 2 is irrational. Okay. But root 2 is irrational. So it means that our assumption that 2 root 2 is rational is wrong. Okay. If we assume 2 root 2 as rational, we will get root 2 as rational. Okay. But since root 2 is irrational, it means that our assumption is wrong. So here I will write that hence our assumption is wrong. So therefore I can write that 2 root 2 is irrational. 2 root 2 is irrational. So it is the required result. Okay. So I hope you have understood both the questions. Okay. Both the questions are clear to you. So thank you for watching this video.